Hello friends, in previous videos we study about the substitution and elimination reactions. In this video we study the reaction of alkyl halides with active metals. The active metals like sodium, magnesium, cadmium, calcium, potassium, etc. They combines with alkyl halide, alkyl chloride or bromide and iodide, and they forms compounds containing carbon and metal bond. And this type of compounds called as organometallic compounds. Organometallic compounds means the compound which having carbon and metal bond, called as organometallic compounds. And these compounds are formed by the reaction of alkyl halides with active metals. The first, it is very famous reagent or famous reaction. The first reaction is that reaction of alkyl halide with magnesium metal. In this reaction, alkyl halide treated with magnesium metal in the presence of dry ether as solvent, then it gives alkyl magnesium halide as a product. It gives alkyl magnesium halide as product, and this product is known as Grignard reagent. We should write this reaction as alkyl halide. This alkyl halide reacts with magnesium metal in the presence of dry ether as solvent. Then it gives a product alkyl magnesium halide. This is called as alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl magnesium halide, or also known as Grignard reagent, because this type of organomagnesium compound is formed by Victor Grignard. The scientist named Victor Grignard, and that due to the formation of organomagnesium compound by using alkyl halide and magnesium, Victor Grignard is awarded by Nobel Prize in 1912. This Grignard reagent is very versatile reagent, and it is vastly used for the preparation of other organic compounds in organic chemistry. Here only alkyl halide not shows the reaction with magnesium. Vinyl halide and aryl halide also shows the reaction towards magnesium and form Grignard reagent. Here we write the example methyl chloride. This methyl chloride reacts with magnesium in the presence of dry ether as a solvent. Then it forms compound called methyl magnesium chloride. The name of this compound is very easy: methyl magnesium chloride. Here in this alkyl magnesium halide there are two types of bonds. Here This is alkyl magnesium halide, and this alkyl magnesium halide having a two types of bond. This alkyl magnesium and halide, it has a two type bonds. One bond between carbon of alkyl group and magnesium, and other in between magnesium and halide. Here the bond between carbon and magnesium is a polar covalent bond. While the bond between halide and magnesium is ionic bond. And due to this nature, it is used for the preparation of other organic compounds. Grignard reagent, highly reactive compounds, and they react with water or the compounds containing hydrogen attached to electronegative element. Here you take the examples. Here this Grignard reagent reacts with methanol. These Grignard reagents are highly reactive reagents or compounds. They react with any type of compound which contain hydrogen. Here this Grignard reagent reacts with methanol. It forms hydrocarbon or alkane as a product. Here this hydrogen reacts with this halogen and form hydrocarbon or alkane. The next example is that when Grignard reagent reacts with ammonia, it also forms hydrocarbon. Means they are very highly reactive compounds, and they react with the compounds which contains hydrogen atom attached to electronegative element and forms different types of other compounds. Some fact about Grignard reagent, I already told you that carbon magnesium bond in Grignard reagent is highly polar covalent bond. Carbon pulls electron from electropositive magnesium, and hence carbon in Grignard reagent having a negative charge, partial negative charge, and acts as a nucleophile. Here this carbon pulls electron from this electropositive magnesium, hence acquire negative charge. Hence this, due to the negative charge on carbon, it acts as a nucleophile, and this nucleophile, it is attached on electrophile. The Victor Grignard received Nobel Prize in 1912 for the synthesis and study of organomagnesium compounds. Grignard reagent is very versatile reagent, and it used by organic chemistry for the preparation of other organic compounds. Vinyl halide or aryl halide also forms the Grignard reagents. The next reaction is that Wurtz reaction. In the Wurtz reaction or Wurtz reaction, pronunciation, whatever, what is the pronunciation, you call Wurtz reaction or Wurtz reaction. When alkyl halides reacts with metallic sodium in the presence of dry ether as a solvent, it forms higher alkanes, and that higher alkanes contain double number of carbon atoms present in alkyl halide, and this reaction called as Wurtz reaction. We already studied this reaction in previous standard. You also refer the standard 11 chemistry textbook. So we write the reaction, Wurtz reaction. 2 moles of alkyl halides reacts with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether as a solvent, then it forms higher alkanes, and these higher alkanes having double number of carbons as present in alkyl halides. For example, two moles of methyl bromide when reacts with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether as a solvent, then it forms higher alkane, that is CS3 CS3. Here this is methyl bromide and it forms ethane as higher alkane. This ethane having 2 carbons which are double than this methyl bromide. This methyl bromide having a single carbon. When we take the 2 different alkyl halides, and these 2 different alkyl halides reacts with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether as solvents, then they forms mixture of alkanes in different proportion. That different alkyl halide must having same halogen. When methyl bromide and ethyl bromide reacts with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether as solvent, this is methyl bromide and this is ethyl bromide. When both reacts with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether, then it forms mixture of three alkanes in different proportion. One is that these alkyl groups, that is methyl groups, combine with each other. Two methyl groups combine with each other and forms ethane. One methyl group and one ethyl group combine with each other and form alkane, and that alkane called as propane. Now the two alkyl groups from this ethyl bromide, that is two ethyl groups, combine with each other and they form higher alkane called butane. It is the drawback of this Wurtz reaction. That is, when we take the different alkyl halides and reacts with sodium metal, they forms the different types of alkanes in different proportion, and the separation of these alkanes from each other, it is difficult, and that requires the other processes also.